and non. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel. I promise you a trackload of fun as usual, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always returning, alright? Yes. But before we delve into what we have for today, Biko, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Alright? Today we are going to explore the varieties, the different varieties of meat and what they are called in Igbo language. Alright? Okay, let's start. In Igbo, meat simply translates meat, alright, let's start with pork, Anụ ezi, as in pig, ezi, Anụ, meat. So we have pork, Anụ ezi, pork, alright. Now we have chicken meat, Ọkụkọ for chicken, So we have Anụ Ọkụkọ, chicken meat. We have dog meat, Anụ nkịta. Then the beef, Anụ ewi, the beef, Anụ ewi, the cow, alright? Beef, Anụ ewi, alright? We also have the grass cutter. Yes, in this place we really love grass cutters. The grass cutters meat is a luxurious meat. It's very expensive too. We have Anụ Nchi, the grass cutter. Anụ Nchi, grass cutter. So the meat, Anụ Nchi, the meat of a grass cutter, Anụ Nchi. Okay, we have monkey meat, Anụ Enwe, monkey, for monkey. This particular meat is also scarce. That makes it expensive as well. Anụ Enwe, monkey meat. We also have goat meat, Anụ Ewu, goat meat, Anụ Ewu for goat, Anụ Ewu, goat meat. Yes. So now, you know, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Bye.